When it's time to store, it's time for STA-BIL. Take the simple and cost-effective steps to protect all types of marine engines during the winter. Get the job done with STA-BIL. STA-BIL fogging oil keeps internal engine components lubricated during storage. It also displaces moisture, which helps prevent corrosion. To use, first remove the air filter and start your engine. Then spray fogging oil directly into the intake until smoke comes out of the exhaust. Not all engines will smoke. After about 10 seconds, shut off the engine. Or you can remove the spark plugs and spray fogging oil into each cylinder for 3 seconds. Replace with new or clean spark plugs. For non-running or rough-running marine engines, try STA-BIL starting fluid, STA-BIL Carb, Choke, and Parts Cleaner, STA-BIL Start Your Engines, or STA-BIL Marine Tune-Up. All help bring marine engines back to life depending on where the problem is located. Before storing, drain or run off old fuel. Then, add STA-BIL to your tank. STA-BIL storage keeps fuel fresh for up to 2 years. 1 ounce treats 2.5 gallons of fuel. STA-BIL 360 Marine keeps fuel fresh for up to 12 months. 1 ounce treats 10 gallons of fuel. And it has industry-leading water-removing properties and PEA fuel system cleaners. Top off with fresh fuel and run the engine for 5 minutes to run treated fuel throughout the system. STA-BIL Rust Stopper shields exterior metals from the elements. It's great for boat trailers, battery terminals, hitches, and more. Rust Stopper has a water-resistant formula that protects against corrosion. Proper winterization of your marine engines is critical to keep them in top shape. Trust the STA-BIL line of products to make sure they're ready when you need them to be. Next season starts today.